In 2024, there are 4 ways to unlock PC or Mac live streaming on TikTok. And we'll start with a method that works between 0 and 1 million followers. And I'm here on my website because the only guaranteed way to get a stream key in 2024 is by joining a free-to-join TikTok Live agency, also known as a creator network. Now, I've built out this detailed webpage because you're probably asking what is the catch and how do I find an agency. So check out this webpage, it's in the description. It includes this explainer video, and a bit further up the page, I've created a verified list of agencies that can get you a stream key. And once again, these are all high quality agencies. I have removed agencies from my list in the past if they've provided poor service. I'll put the link to these stream key agencies in the description. The second way to stream from a PC or Mac is with Streamlabs. As you can see on the left here, I have TikTok as an option to stream on my Streamlabs desktop. Once you hit go live on Streamlabs, you'll see this button which says apply for TikTok live permission. And I'll also put this link in the description. That takes you to this webpage where you can put a link to another social media platform like Twitch or YouTube. I saw somebody on X, aka Twitter, say that they put a link to their Twitch dashboard. They said they had 10 concurrent viewers, so give that a go. And according to my poll here, the acceptance rate is about 38%. So once your application's approved, it means you can stream from Streamlabs desktop without even having to enter a stream key. Now, in the past, people have said that it's been possible to use a VPN to get access to computer streaming by changing your location to the US or the UK. This seems to have largely been patched, but if you want to try it anyway, you can get an exclusive deal with my nordvpn.com/WGMojo discount link. And even if you don't want to use it to get access to computer streaming, of course, there's a ton of different benefits associated with a VPN, including protecting your IP address, threat protection, and a whole load of other useful things as well. So if you want to check out NordVPN with my exclusive deal, I'll put it in the description. Okay, so our third method of getting access to PC or Mac streaming is what I call the Falcon application. And I call it the Falcon application because it seems to redirect to tiktok.com/Falcon. Anyway, basically with this, you can log in to apply, and then once again, you submit information about your other social media platforms. And if TikTok approves your application, you'll either get access to a stream key or access to Live Studio. Once again, I'll put this in the description. And of course, our fourth and final method for accessing PC or Mac streaming is with TikTok Live Studio. Typically, this needs anywhere from around 800 to 10,000 followers based on whether TikTok thinks you are a gaming account or not. But you can bypass those restrictions by joining a free-to-join agency. Once again, my list of agencies is in the description. And I'll also put my Mac guide in the description as well, which shows how even Mac users can use TikTok Live Studio. So that's all the current methods of gaining access to computer streaming. If you would like to add nice looking alerts on top of your computer stream, then check out my Tickfinity guide.